Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look at the board and tell me what shape we drew yesterday? The last shape on the board that we drew in our pattern is yesterday. And if we can figure out what yesterday is, then we can find out what today is. Did you guess a blue rhombus? Or maybe you said a blue diamond? It has two names. It can be called a diamond or a rhombus, but we are calling it a rhombus when we do our pattern, just so we can learn and remember that it is also called a rhombus. So yesterday was Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. And we're going to start at this square and move over one more, and this will be today. So we need to put our shape in here for today so that we know which square to come back to while we're working on our calendar. So what shape do you think comes after the blue rhombus? Well, here's some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and do the pattern together and see if we're correct. Are you ready? Red heart, blue rhombus, 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 red heart. Did you guess red heart? That was a lot of shapes to say in one section. So you can practice on your paper or your calendar, or you can practice in the air, making your heart shape. So we'll just start here. We're going to curve up, then around to the left. Then we're going to come down on an angle to the right, go up to the right, and then we're going to make a curve into the left. And we will color that in. You can pick whatever shape you like to draw on your calendar. This is just a fun way to learn our patterns as we go along. Next, we can figure out what the name of the day is. If we start at our heart square and go up, Thursday. Today is Thursday. And look at all of these other names of the days that we can have. Let's count and see how many there are. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Thank you for singing with me. I love it when we do it together. It's way more fun. So today is Thursday, and it starts with a capital T, and then there's this H beside it. And the H makes the T sound like th. Can you try that? Put your tongue by your teeth and go th, 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 like thick or thirsty. So we say Thursday. So we start with a capital T because it's the name of the day. Thursday. 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 And we can put that into our sentence. So our sentence begins with today is. And today has a capital T because it is the first word in our sentence. And we always capitalize the first words in our sentence. Today is Thursday. So we're going to put a capital T because it's the name of our day. Hursday. And then we're going to put a comma. And that comma is going to remind us to pause before we say our next word. And our next word is going to be the month. And do you remember how many months there are in the year? Let's count them together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 months in the year. Let's say all their names. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month it is? It's the second month. That's right. It's February. We always put February at the top of our calendar like a title. And then we always know what month it is just by glancing at our calendar. So February starts with the letter F. And F sounds like f, f, f. Can you make that sound? F, f, f. Like fun or fuzzy. Capital F, because it's the name of our month. February. 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 And we can put that into our sentence. Today is Thursday, February. So we'll put in a capital F because it's the name of our month. February. And next we need to put in our number. And do you know what our number is today? Yesterday it was 24. So what do you think today will be? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and see if we're correct. We'll count all of the days up until today. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Did you guess 25? That is a really big number. Let's put it onto our calendar. You can practice by writing it on your calendar or on your piece of paper, or if you want, you can just practice with your finger in the air to make your 2 and your 5. So we will start over here. We're going to make an arch up towards the right, and then we're going to come down on an angle to the left, and then make a line across the bottom. Next, we're just going to move over, and we're going to make our 5. We're going to start here, make a little line like this, and then we're going to make a bump, and then we're going to go back up here and put a little line above the 5. So a 2 and a 5 make 25. And when we're talking about the calendar, we say 25th. Can you try that? 25th. When we're counting, we say 25, but we'll say 25th when we put it into our calendar. Let's put it into our sentence. Today is Thursday, February 25th. So we'll put a 2 and a 5. And then we put a comma, and that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And the year is at the top with the month, 2021. So let's put that into our sentence. Today is Thursday, February 25th, 2021. And then a period. And that period tells us that we're done talking. Our sentence is over. Let's say it one more time all together. Are you ready? Today is Thursday, February 25th, 2021. Good job. Thank you for saying that with me. I love it when we say it together. So yesterday I had a sunny day. Is your day sunny? Are you having a sunny day today? I am having a sunny day today. So I'm just going to hang on to that and make sure that there's no clouds. What about cloudy? Are you having a cloudy day? I actually don't have any clouds either. What about partly cloudy or partly sunny? Maybe you have both sunshine and a little bit of clouds. Not here. Ours is just sunny. What about raining? Is it raining for you? What about snowing? Is it snowing where you are? Today we are just having a sunny day. Lots of sunny days right now. Will you help me put it into our weather chart? The first one in our weather chart is sunny, so we didn't have to look very far. Let's see how many tally marks we have already. Do you remember what this one means? When you've got 4 tally marks and a line through it? Mine are getting kind of scratched up. I'll probably need to redo them, but can you tell what they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a slash makes 5. 5 plus, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 plus 4 equal, let's see. This is a 5. Let's keep counting. 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've already had 9 sunny days so far. So 9, and I'm going to put 1 more. So 9 plus 1, how many does that make? Do you know? Let's see if you're correct. We're going to put a tally mark on here, but because we already have 4, we're not going to put another line here. We're going to put a line across. Can you try with me? You start way up here and come back. Are you ready? Start way up here and come back. There. Now we have 2 5s together, right? Because this is a 5. Let's count these all and see if we guess the right number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sunny days. Did you guess 10? 9 plus 1 equals 10. So does 5 plus 5 equals 10. Good job. Next, let's do our agenda. Do you have your agenda handy? Maybe just a piece of paper to practice on? Yesterday was Wednesday the 24th, and I forgot to do my numbers, but that's okay. It's good to practice every day, but sometimes we forget or we need a break. And I wanted to go ice skating, and my nice thing to do was to help my friend tie her skates. So I did do that. We'll flip the page to today, which is Thursday. We'll put capital T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y, comma, and then in February, capital F, E, B, R, U, A, R, Y. And then it is the 25th, so I'm going to put a 2 and a 5, and then a comma, and I ran out of room, so I'm going to come down and go back over here. 2021, 2021. And today I am going to practice up to 25. I want to practice my numbers every day so I get really good at them. You can practice on your paper, or you can just say them in the air with me as we count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I ran out of room, so I'm going to come down and go back to the beginning. 23, 24, 25. Wow, that was a lot of numbers to make, wasn't it? And today I'm having another sunny day, so I'm just going to color my sunshine here. And today I'm just going to go play outside. So, because it's so sunny, we want to enjoy. I might go to the playground maybe. Even though there's snow everywhere, I can still go up the playground and go down the slide. So I got my snowsuit on. Do you have a snowsuit? I wonder what color your jacket is. Do you have mittens? Do your pants match your jacket? Are they the same color as your jacket? Sometimes our jackets, our toques, and our mitts all match, and sometimes they don't. I'm going to have some orange mitts today because I'm coloring. I can make them whatever color I want, right? I made a little bump there. And I think I'm going to have some green boots. I'm just going to go outside and play. Maybe take a shovel, maybe take some cups and bowls and make my own little shapes. It's kind of fun to just play outside and use our imagination. I'm going to put my name at the bottom, and you can practice printing your name while I'm printing my name as well. Make sure you put a capital at the beginning of your name because it's very important. Your name is very important. Capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And if you don't know how to make all these letters, you can practice just by making one letter a day. So we practice the letter R. Let's take that one out. And we will practice a new one for today. You can practice with me on your paper, or you can just do it in the air with your hand. So we'll make a line here. And we're going to start by making a little V up here. So we're going to come down and then go up about halfway. And then go to the point and make a line down. And that is an uppercase Y. Let's try one more time. Go back up to the top, make a line down and then up. And then go to the middle and make a line down to this baseline. Next, I'm going to try a lowercase y. You ready to give it a try? Start halfway up with the Y. Just put a little dotted line there. So halfway, I'm going to make a line down. Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to put one big line. We're all the way. I'm going to cross this line. Whoa! Just like that. Will you try that with me? Start up here and go down on an angle. Then go back up to the other side and come all the way down past the line. An uppercase Y and a lowercase y. Good for you. I hope you practice every day. If you practice one letter every day, pretty soon you'll be able to make all of the letters. So yesterday I was pretty excited to go skating, and we had lots of fun while we were skating. It was a very beautiful day, so that was nice. Am I excited today still? What about you? Are you excited today? What about angry? Are you angry today? Am I angry today? I don't think I'm angry today. I get to go outside and play in the snow. What about sad? Are you sad today? Maybe you lost something or you missed somebody? It's okay if you feel sad. You can talk to your grown-up or your siblings about it, or a friend. What about feeling happy? Are you happy today? What about nervous? I'm not nervous. Are you nervous? I think I'm excited because I get to go play in the snow today. I think that will be really fun. And my kind thing for the day is I am going to give the grown-ups in my house a hug, a great big warm squeezy hug to make them feel good and so that they know I love them. So you can find something kind to do. Maybe try giving somebody a hug. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.